Hello, I'm Brittany with Back to Basics, the MySQL Server Tuning Pros. Make every moment count with our MySQL Server Tuning analysis services. At Back to Basics, we perform an in-depth analysis of your server by finding ways to improve performance. Doing so will improve the experience of clients and customers using your site and reduce user wait times 24/7. Since 2014, many organizations have improved their MySQL daily performance with our services. We understand that servers can develop issues over time, causing high CPU usage, crashes, general delays, and slow query completion. We help keep your server running quickly and smoothly. Here at Back to Basics, we can provide tuning suggestions to optimize your MySQL servers, including Community Edition, Percona, MariaDB, AWS Aurora, AWS RDS, Debian, Drupal, Google Cloud, Magento e-commerce systems, RHEL, Ubuntu, WooCommerce, WordPress, XAMPP, and many more. What would cause a server not to perform at optimal speeds? Never tuned, poor tuning, fragmented tables, redundant indexes, tables with no primary key, and a range of other issues that can overwork CPU storage and network capacity, all causing delays. Our utilities and suggestions applied to such issues can dramatically improve speeds. For example, a 16 GB 6-core HDD Linux WordPress server was constantly showing 400% CPU busy. After applying suggestions from Loyalty Global Status and Global Variable Analysis Delta, it is now under 20% CPU busy. Another server, a 32 GB 6-core SSD on Linux Drupal, was struggling with second trip display of a catalog page of 20 items for sale. The full catalog had about 500,000 items online. The database contained about 60 million rows across 416 tables. The typical response time to call up the next page was as much as 30 to 40 seconds. After applying 10 of our custom suggestions for server improvement, the typical response time is now 1 to 2 seconds. We offer free suggestions to improve performance, utility scripts, as well as provide custom suggestions based on our analysis of data from your server, emailed to you typically within 4 business days. We also offer 1 business day response plans to help you improve your response time ASAP. Our best practices include keeping a dated copy of your my.cnf or my.ini prior to any change to allow quick restore of last used configuration in a history folder. You should conclude your research and understanding of the role a particular variable and how it could affect operation of MySQL prior to making a change. We also suggest monitoring results for 24 hours and review of your error log before applying your next change. If you are in a crisis situation, it may be appropriate to change more than one variable to survive or achieve some predictable degree of stability with your server. Our analysis of your server's global variable and global status reporting makes our service incredibly affordable and allows your organization's MySQL servers to run promptly and efficiently. Order any of our analysis services and let us help you get your server flying. Review our What We Do and Data We Need pages for additional details. If you want to increase performance, improve customer experience, and reduce wait times 24/7, contact our team at Back to Basics. You'll be glad you did. We look forward to assisting your organization. Visit us at btbinc.com or mysqlservertuning.com.